My name's Jeremy Mboga, born in Kisii, brought up in Kisii, Nairobi. I worked with, I started working with Kenya National Assurance for about 1 year, then joined the Voice of Kenya, 1972. Stayed with Voice of Kenya until it became KBC years later. I cannot remember well. I worked with Voice of Kenya in Nairobi, Kisumu, Kisii, Kakamega. Yeah, I remember well. I retired in Kisumu. I was a producer. I started working as a producer assistant. Grew up grades until I became a senior producer. In those days, I remember we were few. Then there were no branches. Later on, they started. They started. Before I joined the Voice of Kenya, there used to be a station in Kisumu. Later on, closed down, but they reopened that Voice of Kenya again in Kisumu, broadcasting in 6 languages. There was Luo, there was Kisii, there was Kipisigis, there was Luya, there was... I'm forgetting some. Let me say, at least I made a home. I married, educated my children, built a home where I am now. These days, the media has gone deeper to homes than those days. Like when I was in Kisumu, I used to work as a Kisii producer, Swahili producer in Nyanza and Western. These days, those you people are there in almost every county. Sickness, age. We know age has got its own challenges. I've got a sick wife. I've got a sick child, grown-up child, who's supposed to be a daughter who's supposed to be in our own home, but she's staying with me with her sickness. I've got a lot of so many challenges that go with age. Like that, particularly that daughter of mine who is not married. She's staying with me, with her children, and she cannot walk. She's incapacitated, cannot walk, and she needs that attention of treatment.